Hello my crochet lovers! Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful criss-cross pattern. Make a chain multiples of 2. I make 16 chains. Add one more chain. Skip last chain, insert the hook into the second chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. So you have made single crochet. Insert the hook into the next chain and make one more single crochet. Continue till the end of the round. Once you finished first round, make one returning chain and turn your work. Yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch and make half double crochet by pulling yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. Then skip one stitch, yarn over and make half double crochet. Yarn over, find previous stitch you have skipped and make half double crochet. Then skip one stitch, yarn over and make half double crochet once again. Yarn over, find stitch you have just skipped and make half double crochet. Continue to crochet the same pattern. In the end of the round, make last criss-cross stitch and then make one half double crochet into the very last stitch. So this is how the second round looks. Make one chain, turn your work, find first stitch and make half double crochet. Then find these 2 holes in the previous round. Insert the hook into the second hole and make half double crochet. Then find first hole and make half double crochet again. Find next hole and make half double crochet. Come back to the previous hole and make half double crochet. Continue to crochet the same pattern. In the end of the round, make last criss-cross stitch and then make one half double crochet into the very last stitch. Make one chain, turn your work, continue to crochet the same pattern. This pattern could be used for placemats, bags, even rugs. The main idea is that you have single half double crochet from both sides and crisscross stitches between them. So easy pattern and so beautiful! Don't forget to subscribe! If you would like to make a rug, basket or a placemat, visit my Etsy shop. Ciao!